we're also getting, of course, a little bit of noise on soybeans and China. Is there an agreement? Are we near an agreement between the U.S. and China?
Well, our understanding is there isn't currently an agreement, but there could certainly be one. And Donald Trump was floating that, saying that he'd like China to buy a lot more US soybeans. But the timing is interesting because we're coming obviously to the rollover of the US-China trade truce. We're also coming weeks before US farmers harvest their soybeans. So they're going to have a lot of soybeans to sell. And so basically he's saying to China, you know what, if you're willing to buy some more soybeans, that would really smooth the way for the rollover of this trade truce. And it's in interest of the China potentially to do so. They do need to buy a lot. They've been diversifying their sources of that, which has made sense strategically from countries in Latin America and so on, but they don't have to buy them from those countries. They can easily buy them from the US. And, at a good price, it makes sense to do so both for farmers in the US, for businesses in the US, but also strategically to keep things on an even keel, because, of course, we're all building potentially towards a meeting between Xi Jinping and Donald Trump later this year, the sense of can we get to the point where they are going to have a proper summit. And so China's sensing the mood on that. This is Donald Trump floating it as a possibility, and it's an easy win really for China just to meet him halfway on it.